We are already discussed about trial balance. The trial balance main intention to check the arithmetical accuracy of the transactions means we are recording transactions correct way or not, we are follow the rules and regulations or not, whatever it may be. It is and conclusion when we are preparing the trial balance, debit total is equal to credit. Our all procedures correct. We are all follow the rules and regulations. We are mention the rules and regulations. We are follow the concept to conventions as well as. So, and here first problem, first listen, already given the format and cash in hand debit side, bank overdraft credit side, opening stock debit side, purchases debit side, purchase returns credit side, sales credit side, sales returns debit side, traveling expenses and traveling expense debit side, discount allowed debit side, discount received credit side, furniture debit side, machinery debit side, land and building debit side, debtors debit side, creditors credit side, bills payable credit side, bills receivable debit side, capital credit side, drawings debit side, rent debit side, salaries debit side, loan credit side, interest on loan expenses debit side. This is the problem. So cash in hand debit side, opening stock debit side, purchases debit side, sales returns debit side, traveling expenses debit side, discount allowed debit side, furniture debit side, machinery asset debit side, land and building debit side, debtors debit side, bills receivable debit side, drawings debit side, rent expenses debit side, salaries expenses debit side, interest on loan expenses debit side. And come to the one by one credit side, sales, first bank overdraft credit side, next purchase returns credit side, sales credit side, discount received credit side, creditors credit side, bills payable credit side, capital credit side, loan credit side. So first you have to write what are the aspects of debit side, then after write credit side. So there is no confusion. And before the preparation of trial balance, you must observe pro forma of trial balance. What are the aspects on debit side, what are the aspects on credit side? It must be remember everyone. Then only easy to prepare the trial balance. Remember one thing, the most of the transactions appear on the debit side, that will appear here also debit side. What are the transactions appear in journal entries? Always debit side. Here also all debit side. Remember one thing. What are the transactions aspects in entry? Sometimes maybe always credit. Here also credit in trial balance. That way you have to remember easy. So this is the way. First total them 2,60,250 rupees. Here also 2,60,250 rupees. This is the about first problem. Next, come to the second problem. Stock means opening stock debit side, purchases debit side, sales credit, wages debit, salaries debit, repair charges debit, commission received and it is credit, return inwards, sales returns debit, return outwards, purchase returns credit, carriage inward expenses debit, carriage outward expenses debit, furniture asset debit, motor car asset debit, cash in hand debit asset, sundry debtors asset debit, sundry creditors liabilities credit, capital credit, drawings debit, overdraft credit, investment investment debit, interest on investment income credit, advertisement expenses debit. This is the, but in this problem they are, and some transactions are missing, so some mistakes in the problem whatever it may be. The trial balance is not equal, and which side is less amount, that side the difference amount must be transferred to with the help of suspense account. Suspense account nothing but if any disagreement between the debit and credit, the amount must be transferred to suspense account. The suspense account is the artificial account. It is not real account, it is not personal account, it is not nominal account. So, and if any disagreement in a trial balance, debit is more than the credit, credit is more than the debit, whatever it may be, the difference amount must be transferred to suspense account. Which side is shortage? The difference amount must be recorded on shortage side. That must be remembered. Sometimes maybe trial balance must be equal, both debit is equal to credit. Sometimes maybe not equal due to the any and under recording, over recording and wrong posting, whatever it may be, take in the place problems. The ledger balances is not equal at the finally. So the difference amount must be transferred to suspense account. The suspense account must be mentioned and shortage side. It must be remember one. So come to the second problem. Opening stock debit side, purchases debit side, wages debit side, salaries debit side, repair charges debit side, return inwards debit side, carriage inward debit side, carriage outward debit side, furniture asset debit side, motor car asset debit side, cash in hand debit side, sundry debtors debit side, drawings debit side, investment asset debit side, advertisement is expenses debit side. And next, starting the what are the aspects, credit aspects, write down one by one. Sales, credit side, commission received, credit side, return outward means purchase returns, this is credit side, sundry creditors, this is and credit side, capital credit side, bank overdraft credit side, so bank overdraft is a liability. Interest on investment, this is the income, credit side. So in this problem, debit total is 4,54,700 rupees, credit total is 4,36,900 rupees. The difference is 17,800 rupees shortage on the credit side. So we must mention suspense account and shortage this side. So the difference amount 17,800 rupees you have to write here only. Then the total of the credit is also equal to 4,54,700 rupees. This is the way prepare trial balance. So practice them trial balance. The trial balance is only 2 marks question. So for preparation of final accounts, compulsory, you know the trial balance awareness. What are the aspects are record on the debit side? What are the aspects on record on credit side? You know very well. Then easy to solve the final accounts. So, and practice them and trial balance problems and each and every one.